Okay, see here, seventh main. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term, this is 22nd term, is 149. Same like previous sum, almost 1 to 3. What I have solved today, it is almost same. Only the pattern of the question is changed. Okay, here what is given? Find the sum of first 22 terms. That means we have to find S22. Then the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7. That means D is given as 7. 22nd term. That means AN is equal to L is equal to 149. Right. So we have to use AN formula first and find A. That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. AN is given as 149. Is equal to A is not known. Plus here they have given N is equal to 22 because 22 terms. So here it is 22 minus 1, D is 7. 149 is equal to A plus 21 into 7. 147. Right. Send this side. 149 minus 147 is your A. That means A is equal to 2. So we know what is A. Now we have to go in for sum up to 22 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Yes, 22 is equal to 22 by 2. A is we have found out as 2. That means it is 2 plus L is 149. 2 ones are 2 11s are. That means S22 is equal to 11 into 149 plus 2 is 151. So 151. So S22 is equal to 1661. This is what is your sum up to S22 and A value is 2. So these two are your answer. Understood? Now I will go for 8th main. Okay, see here. This is now 8th sum or 8th main. It's only one sum. Okay, what the question says here? Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term they are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, see here what is given? Solution. Find the sum of first 51 terms. That means yes, 51 we have to find out. Question mark. Second term, that means A2. A2 is 14 and A3 is 18. Right? So yes, we have to find out. To find S, we have to find A and we have to find D first. Okay. Now, I will take this as AP, this as AQ. Right? Now, to find D, I have given you 3 different formulas. So out of which this is very easy. AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. So D is equal to, what is AP? AP means 18 minus what is AQ? AQ is 14 divided by P means AP is 18. That means 18 belongs to third term. That means 3. P value is 3 minus Q value is 2. So D is equal to 18 minus 4 is 4 divided by 1, which is equal to 4. That means your D value is 4. Now we have to go in for to find A. Let us take A2 or AP. Any one of the term you can take it. So A2 is equal to 14. See, A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 14. We know D here, calculated it, that is 4. That means A plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore, A is equal to 14 minus 4. So, A is 10. Now, A we know and D we know. Now, we have to go in for S51. So, S51, that means what? N is equal to 51. N by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D bracket close. So S51 is equal to N is 51 divided by 2. 2 into A value is 10. That means it is 10 plus N is 51 minus 1. D value is 4. Bracket close. Yes, 51 is equal to, cancellation is not possible, keep it as it is. So here it is 20, 51 minus 1 is 50, 50 into 4 is 200. This is plus. Right? Now here it is, don't cancel. Yes, 51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. 200 plus 20, 220. Now you can cancel. 2 ones are 1s are 0s are. That means 11 5s are. So this is 51 into 11. You write one more step. Yes, 51 is equal to 51 into 110, which is equal to 5610 is your answer. Understood? Yes, 51 is 5610, A is 10 and D is 4. Now I go for 9th.